Living in Houston means enjoying warm weather, vibrant city life, and a diverse culture. However, it also means dealing with extreme heat, humidity, and unpredictable storms, all of which can take a toll on your home's windows. If you're a homeowner in Houston, you may have encountered several common window problems. Understanding these issues and knowing how to fix them can help maintain the efficiency, security, and appearance of your home. Foggy or cloudy windows problem. Houston's humid climate can cause condensation to build up between window panes, making them appear foggy or cloudy. This often occurs when the seal on a double-pane window fails, allowing moisture to enter. Solution: if your window is under warranty, check with the manufacturer for a potential replacement. Otherwise, you can replace just the glass unit instead of the entire window frame. A professional glass repair service can remove the damaged pane and install a new sealed unit. Drafty windows problem. Older windows or those with worn-out seals can develop air leaks, leading to higher energy bills and decreased indoor comfort. Solution: apply weather stripping or caulking around the window frames to seal any gaps. If the problem persists, consider replacing the window with an energy-efficient model designed for Houston's climate, such as low-E glass windows that reflect heat. Windows that won't open or close properly. Problem: Houston's high humidity can cause wood window frames to swell, making them difficult to open or close. Dirt and debris buildup in the tracks can also cause operational issues. Solution: clean the tracks thoroughly and lubricate them with a silicone-based lubricant. If swelling is the issue, sanding the edges of the window slightly can help. If your window continues to be difficult to operate, it may be time for a replacement. Water leaks and damage problem. Frequent storms and heavy rains in Houston can lead to water seeping through window frames, causing damage to walls, floors, and furniture. Solution: inspect your windows for cracks or gaps and seal them with caulk. Check that your gutters and downspouts are directing water away from the house. If the problem persists, consider upgrading to storm-resistant windows. Broken or cracked glass problem. Flying debris from storms, accidents, or attempted break-ins can cause glass windows to crack or shatter. Solution: small cracks can sometimes be temporarily fixed with clear nail polish or epoxy, but for long-term safety, replacing the damaged glass is the best solution. If security is a concern, consider upgrading to impact-resistant glass. Excessive heat gain problem. Houston's intense sun can make certain rooms uncomfortably hot, increasing air conditioning costs. Solution: installing window films, solar screens, or energy-efficient low-E glass can help reduce heat gain. Adding blinds or curtains can also help regulate indoor temperatures. Noise pollution problem. Living in a busy Houston neighborhood or near highways can expose your home to excessive noise from traffic, construction, and nightlife. Solution: consider upgrading to double-pane or laminated glass windows, which help reduce outside noise. Weather stripping and caulking any gaps around the frame can also improve sound insulation. Insect and pest intrusion problem. Houston's warm climate attracts mosquitoes, flies, and other pests, which can find their way indoors through window gaps or damaged screens. Solution: inspect and repair any torn or loose window screens. Use caulking or weather stripping to seal gaps where pests may enter. Final thoughts: keeping your windows in good condition is essential for comfort, energy efficiency, and security. While some window problems can be fixed with simple DIY solutions, others may require professional intervention. If you're experiencing persistent issues, consider consulting a window repair or replacement specialist in Houston to ensure your home remains safe and comfortable year-round.